In this tutorial we will learn how to make your photo into a cartoon. So let's get started. Use Quick Selection tool to separate the image from the background. Then select Mask. Create a new layer, then add background color. Select the 2 layer. Then right-click, Convert to Smart Object. Now duplicate the layer. Rename your layers. Now disable the first layer, then select the top layer. Then select Artistic, Poster Edge. Change the value of the right panel. Click OK. Go to Image, Adjustments, Threshold. Then change the value to 80. Now go to Filter, Stylize, Oil Paint. Change the value in the panel. Now enable the first layer. Go to Blending Mode, select Multiply. Click the first layer. Go to Filter, Blur, Surface Blur. Change the value in the panel. Now go to Filter, Stylize, Oil Paint. Go to Filter, Filter Gallery. Select Artistic, Cutout. Then follow the values in the right panel. Right-click, Clipping Mask the level to the first layer. Go to Adjustment panel, select Vibrance. Then clip the adjustment. Go to Image, Adjustments, Threshold. Create a new layer, then add color to your image and clean some area. Use Brush tool and brush color to the area. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.